Bedroom color secrets. You never knew. Quick question. What color is your bedroom right now? Most people don't realize this, but the very walls around you at night might be silently shaping your sleep, your emotions, and even your relationships. If you've been struggling with poor sleep, restless energy, or ongoing tension with your partner, your color choice could be one of the hidden reasons. This is for anyone who wants deeper rest, stronger love, and more harmony at home. Today, I'll reveal 3 bedroom color secrets. Feng Shui experts use, secrets most people never knew. I once worked with a couple who painted their bedroom a deep red. They thought it would spark passion, romance, and warmth, but instead, it fueled constant arguments and sleepless nights. Why? Because in Feng Shui, colors carry energy. Each color corresponds to one of the 5 elements: water, wood, fire, earth, and metal. And when the balance is off, so is the energy in your life. Here are 3 common mistakes. Too much red overheats relationships. While a touch of red is great for passion, an entire wall or bedding set can make tempers flare and disturb sleep. Too much gray drains love and energy. A gray-heavy room feels lifeless and cold, leading to disconnection. Too much black creates heaviness and fear, and even depression. It can feel like the energy is pressing down on you. Your bedroom is where you recharge physically, mentally, and emotionally. If the colors clash with Feng Shui principles, your body never fully rests, no matter how many hours you sleep. Here's how to choose colors that actually support you. Soft neutrals and earth tones. Colors like beige, cream, peach, or warm browns create grounding and stability. They remind your body that it is safe, secure, and supported. Create grounding and security. Gentle blues and greens. These colors invite peace, calmness, and healing. They soothe your nervous system, making them perfect for people struggling with stress or insomnia. Touches of pink or peach. These shades attract harmony, warmth, and love. They are wonderful for couples who want to strengthen intimacy and connection. Remember, balance is key. No one color should dominate the space. Instead, create a blend that reflects the harmony of the 5 elements. The 5-element theory in your bedroom. The real secret lies in the 5-element theory of Feng Shui. Water, blue, black, calms energy, but too much creates heaviness. Wood, green, brown, encourages growth, vitality, and family harmony. Fire, red, orange, purple, sparks, passion, energy, and recognition, but must be balanced. Earth, yellow, beige, sandy tones, provides stability, nurturing, and grounding. Metal, white, gray, metallics. Brings clarity, discipline, and focus, but too much feels cold. When you blend these elements in your bedroom design, through wall colors, bedding, artwork, or even small decor pieces, you create an environment that supports rest, romance, and renewal. So by watching this video, you now know exactly how to turn your bedroom into a sanctuary that attracts love, supports sleep, and restores balance. Comment below. What's your current bedroom color, and how does it make you feel? I'll reply with the Feng Shui meaning of your choice. And remember, when your space flows, your life glows.